Get ready to dive into the future of eyewear because Meta and Ray-Ban are back with a bang. In 2021, they gave us Stories, their first smart glasses adventure. But now, brace yourselves for the grand sequel, the Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses. These bad boys are taking smart glasses to a whole new level. What's the showstopper feature, you asked? Drumroll, please. You can now live stream videos directly to Instagram and Facebook right from your glasses. Imagine the possibilities for social media junkies and content creators. These smart specs boast a 12MP ultra-wide camera that can shoot 1080p videos up to a minute long. And here's the kicker, they even let folks know they're on camera with a polite white light. Storage woes? Fear not. With 32 gigabytes of internal storage, you can save around 500 photos and 130-second videos. And to share your gems, the MetaView app is your trusty sidekick. Under the hood, a Snapdragon AR1 Gen 1 processor powers these sleek shades, and they're no pushover in the weather department either. They're IPX4 water-resistant, perfect for a light splash or two. But wait, there's more. The audio experience has been cranked up a notch. The Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses are 50% louder, packing clearer sound and deeper bass. Plus, directional audio minimizes eavesdropping for an immersive auditory adventure. These stylish peepers rock a classic Wayfarer design, now available in fresh colors and even transparent. And guess what? You have a smorgasbord of lens options. Sun, polarize, clear, transitions, and prescription, over 150 combos to choose from. Don't forget the handy charger case, which has gone through a slimming transformation. It's 32% lighter and can juice up your headset 8 times for a whopping 36 hours of playback. After that, it's USB-C charging time. Excited? You should be. Pre-orders are open now on meta.com, ray-ban.com, and select retailers. Mark your calendars because these smart glasses will hit the shelves on October 17 in the US, Canada, Australia, and across Europe. The future looks bright, and it's right on your face. Peace out.